Meaning of habitat.
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 Habitat. Habitat refers to the natural environment where a particular organism or group of organisms lives and thrives. It is the place where an organism finds all the necessary resources it needs to survive, such as food, water, shelter, and breeding sites. The habitat is characterized by its physical and biological features, including temperature, humidity, soil type, vegetation, and other factors. A habitat can be home to many different species, each adapted to the specific conditions of that environment. Changes to a habitat can have significant impacts on the organisms that rely on it for their survival.